to 7. I will study math, physics, Indonesian language, and music. After that, I will have a math course and physics course. I will be so tired after that. And then I will go to BDK Center to study English. And I will go back home at 6 o'clock. And I arrived and take a shower. After that, I will eat dinner with my family. After eat dinner with my family, I will study and do my homework. After that, I will play or watch TV with my